Hi everyone, welcome to Mastering Mathematics. Today I'm going to show you how to solve linear equations in 3 simple steps. In this particular video, we'll be touching on what a linear equation is, the terminology used in algebra, and then we'll be moving straight into the 3-step process for the solution to linear equations. In order to solve the linear equations, we must be able to identify them. There's a difference between a linear equation and a non-linear equation. Linear equations consist of only one variable. That one variable can either be x or y, p or q, m or n. It can be absolutely any one of the algebraic letters. The important thing is that the equation only consists of one variable. There are some common terms used in algebra. Be sure that you're very familiar with them because we'll be interacting with them a lot. The first one we're looking at is the coefficient, as in this example, 3 is the coefficient of x. The next term you'll be hearing a lot about is variable. We use variables in algebra to represent any unknown quantity in a particular situation. This allows us to express situations in numerical and algebraic form, allowing us to create equations. In this example, x is our variable. There's one more particular term we need to know about. In algebra, we discuss constants a lot. A constant is any fixed numerical value, meaning that it doesn't change. In this particular example, -7 is the constant. Glad to see that you're still here. Now let's get straight into the 3 simple steps for solving linear equations. Now let's take a look at this problem. Here we have 4x minus 5 is equal to 3. Let's see we have to solve for x in this problem. The first step to solving linear equations begins with the separation of like and unlike terms. As in this example, since we only have one term with a variable in it, it stands by itself. We move the constant -5 across to where 3 is and it changes sign. Now that we've regrouped our like and unlike terms, let's move to the second step. In this step, all you need to do is look at the regrouped terms and determine whether or not you need to find the sum or difference. All that's left to do here is sum 3 and 5 and we'll get 8. Alright, so now we're on to our final step. Here we just need to solve for the variable, which involves a transposition of the equation. This means isolating the variable, and all that we have to do for this particular problem is divide 8 by 4. This will give us the answer that x is 2. Enjoyed this presentation? There are many more just like these to come your way. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our future updates. Follow us on social media as well, on Facebook and Instagram. Did you enjoy this particular presentation? Was it informative? Was it helpful? Be sure to give us some feedback in the comments below. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and continue to follow us so that you can continue to unlock the doors to limitless potential.